Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to sine t. So if I put this one going here, we have 1 minus sine t square, 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. Now we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine t dt. So I will put this one going here, and this one going here. ds we change by this one. So 1 minus sine t square we change cosine t square. The square root of cosine t square we got about cosine t. Cosine t, we got about 1 minus sine t. The integration of number 1, we have t. The integration of negative sine t, we have positive cosine t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we got about t equals to arc sine of s. So we need to change this one for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.